I've had my Campbell Hausfeld Flux core welder for a little over 2 weeks now. I picked this up for about 220 bucks. I picked up the table for another 120. Helmet for 40 bucks, gloves for 15. Basically got into this hobby for under $500 and I've never welded before. So it's all new to me, and I've kind of been playing with this a little bit every day after work and kind of slowly getting the hang of it. So I want to do a little bit more of a review of this now that I've had some time with it. And really, I've got nothing but good things to say about this little welder for the price. I mean, it's a little 110 welder. I'm welding some 3/16 thick steel. You know, it gets the job done. It could be a little hotter, but it's working. It's making good solid welds. Comes with a decent torch. I'm trying this new plastic flux core specific tip on here, nozzle on here, and I'm not 100% sold on it yet. I don't know that it helps you weld any better or performs any better. You can see a little more of the pool, but I don't know if I'm really sold on this yet. But this was an addition for a few bucks. I figured I'd try it. I'm still on the original wire that came with the welder, and I've got some other wire I'm going to try after this, but so far no complaints with that. Table works good, comes with a decent grounding cable. You know, I'm finding out, you know, I'm just practicing with the heat and the speed of the wire and the, you know, using some anti-splatter, and I'll show some welds and before and after wire brush cleanup, how they look. And after a couple weeks, I'm pretty happy with this welder. Definitely recommend it for a beginner or small home garage projects. And I'll share a couple things I've already made with it, going towards my drag racing hobby, because that's, you know, I'm going to play with this for a while and then I'll probably move on to a TIG setup. I've got to get 220 in the garage, but for now 110, just getting started out, kind of seeing if I can get the hang of it. I'm pretty happy with the performance of this little welder so far.